Welcome back. 24-year-old freelance DJ and student of Shipbuilding Institute at Vasco was murdered at Nove on Tuesday night. Manjit Fernandez was stabbed with a knife in an altercation after the Carnival Rain Dance party at the open hall. He was later declared dead at Hospicia Hospital.
Maina Kurtari PI Ramesh Gaonkar informed that they have registered a case of murder against unknown persons. Maina Kurtari police are further investigating the case. The postmortem examination of the deceased has been conducted at Hospicia Hospital.
During the course of investigation, we received some clues regarding the availability of some persons who were present at that spot. In this connection, efforts are in progress to trace the accused.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Now, force has come down heavily on the BJP. Secretary of Forum for Rights of Children's Education, Savio Lopez, has appealed the parents not to vote BJP in the coming assembly election. He is annoyed with the BJP for not supporting grants to the English medium schools in the party's manifesto.
आणि BJPन क्लियरली मेन्शन केला की ते इंग्लिशीक सपोर्ट करपाक ना म्हणून तेका लागून आमी इमिजिएटली काल आमचे सगळे पेरंट्सांक ऑल ओवर गोवा मेसेज धाडली आसा की BJPक वोट करचे ना म्हणून एनी अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी और इंडिविजुअल कॅन बी सपोर्टेड बाय द पेरंट्स दे आर फ्री टू चूज विच एवर इंडिविजुअल दे वॉन्ट but definitely not the BJP.
Members of the Force Executive Committee said they enjoy the support of around 2 lakh parents directly and indirectly. Force is firm with its stand. Replying media's question, Lopez said, even if BJP comes to power, Force will agitate and get their demands fulfilled.
This is a popular demand. Entire Goa, irrespective of whether they are Catholics or Hindus or Muslims, they want their children to study in English. So it is only a choice that we have been asking. We are not demanding that everybody should learn in English. It's a choice for the parents to choose whether it is English, Konkani, Marathi. So since BJP doesn't understand the value of the popular movement, I think they should be totally rejected by the electorate here.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Ash Wednesday was observed in the state on Wednesday. Ash Wednesday marks the beginning of 40 days of repentance, fasting and abstinence in preparation for the important Christian festival, Easter. Lent season concludes on the day of Easter.
आयज आमी गोबराचो बुधवार आनी पिराजिताचो काळ सुरू करता आनी हो पिराजिताचो काळ सुरू करता आसतना 3 वस्तू इग्रोज मात आमचे लागीं मागता की आमी पिराजीत धनवण आनी मागणे करूंक जाय म्हूण.
The priest marks the forehead of devotees with black ash in the sign of cross. The worshippers traditionally retain the mark till it wears off. Dusting oneself with ash is a way of expressing sorrow for sins and faults done in the previous year. A reporter Savio Dias from Margao.
Rohan County has hit back at the group United Porvarkar. County, who is contesting from Porvorim as an independent candidate, criticized the group on its background and credibility. He also mocked the members of the group for supporting the BJP candidate despite their party affiliations.
Independent candidate from Porvorim, Rohan Khote, released his manifesto on Wednesday. Khote criticized the group United Porvarkar and questioned their credibility.
पयरच्या एक परिशदेन तांणी एक सांगलें की आमचे 31तले 21 पंच आमचे. हांव म्हणटा व्हेरी गुड, पूण 21 पंच समज आशिल्ले बरोबर 5 वर्सां कांय डेव्हलपमेंट कित्याक केलो ना? जेन्ना ते 21 पंच बरोबर आसता डेव्हलपमेंट करूंक शकना जाल्यार खंयचो विजन डॉक्युमेंट फुडें काडटले?
Khote mocked the group, stating, despite the Congress NCP having a candidate in Porvorim, some congressmen are supporting the BJP.
काँग्रेसच्या लोकांनी सांगलें की आमी BJPच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक सपोर्ट दिता म्हणून म्हजो प्रश्न एकूच आसा तांकां, हे युनायटेड पर्वरकार काय युनायटेड पर्वतकार जाल्या तर तांकां पयलीं विचारचें. कित्याक युनायटेड पर्वरकार समज आशिल्ले, तांचो लिडर समज नाशिल्लो, BJP समज तांकां ते सपोर्ट करतात, तांकां एकादी खबर नासतली की काँग्रेस आनी NCPची युती जाल्ली आसा एंड एज अ थिंग काँग्रेस आनी NCP तांणी सपोर्ट करपाक जाय आशिल्लो तांचे कॅन्डिडेटाक.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.